guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you Wig Studio One for providing me this piece to do a review on. You can find her support group through Facebook online. It is under Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and we'd love to have y'all there. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button. You can hit the bell button to be notified, that way you don't miss out. Now let's do this wig review. This is Henry Margu's Taylor, and she is in color 26GR, and it's described as gold blonde with light blonde highlights and brown roots. And they're not really dark, those roots, and it goes all the way around. Very, very pretty. Y'all see the dimension. She's open wefted, which allows for breathability. She has Velcro at the nape. She does not have an extended nape, but it is wide enough that you can use adhesive. I've been using this adhesive. I've been gone crazy. I love tape. It's so easy. And so I'll put tape here, and then I put tape at the front. And I still wear wig grip, but it makes it so much more secure, and it's so easy. Felt on the ear tabs. They're very thin. So if you're wearing glasses, and it does have a metal stay. She has a fully hand-tied mono top, which means you can part her any direction that you want to. When you get her, you'll probably have to use a water bottle if you want to switch her apart. This, I love the poly strip. I love it because, like I said, I've started using tape, and you just tape that across. It gives you such a secure fit and feeling. Piece is so low density. If y'all can see, I'm hoping. She's so cute with these layers all around the face. She's got really good movement. Here's her top. And again, you can part her any direction since she's a mono top. That looks cute. And you can cut these bangs in here. Let's go outside and take a look at this color in natural lighting.